In this video, I'm gonna show you a quick way to make money if you have a pickup truck. Let's go! Yo, so check it out. I have a pickup truck. I got several trucks, but I do have a pickup truck. One way that you can make money with your pickup truck is by doing hauls, man. It is not that difficult. Guys, y'all be asking these crazy questions like, how you make money, how I do that? Do you have a pickup truck? Can you load the bed of it up? Is there a city dump near you that you can go to and dump that stuff? Charge somebody $200 to $300 to do this. It is not that difficult. Do you have a box truck? You can do the same thing. Do you have a 28-foot, 26-foot box truck? You can do the same thing, guys. There is money to be made out here, but you have got to go get it. No one, you hear me? No one is going to give you anything. You got to grind and hustle and go get it. So if I do this 2 times a day, you got to market. Use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. Use all those channels, they're free. It's not going to be easy, okay? Stop thinking that you're gonna get rich quick. Not gonna happen. But if I do this 2 times a day and I charge a minimum, $199, $299, $399, I can even put a hitch, a trailer up to this. Guys, you gotta get this money. So I got this pickup truck. I got a box truck like that. I do not own one of these. I don't have an MC number. I don't have an authority. I don't have any of that. Get out here and make this money, man. Contact me or inbox me or comment down below. If you want me to make more videos like this, you want me to show you how I make money every single day, I will do that. But guys, get out of your head. Stop listening to people thinking that, oh, I can't make no money. It's just the dump. I'm just taking stuff to the dump. That's it. All right, let me go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay encouraged, stay motivated, never give up. I got multiple streams of income. This ain't it, man. Grind and hustle. I'm gonna keep making more free videos like this to show you guys what to do. And if you need help, I'll show you how to make flyers. I'll show you how to post it. Just get out here and grind, man. Let's go, y'all. Let's get it, baby. Never give up. See that? Done. Took me 5 minutes. 300 bucks, 5 minutes to the dump, to do the dump. I had to drive here. Y'all gonna be asking me stuff about like the gas, the insurance. It don't matter. I just made $300, man. I'm out of here. That's too nice of a truck to be at the dump, ain't it? Okay, bonus material if you stayed along this long. Listen, guys, stop listening to people. You're in your head, you're thinking that you can't do this, you can't do that. Even though this is a video about picking up trash, you can do anything you want if you just apply yourself. Let's go!